Welcome to Optimal Cures, your ultimate guide to unlocking health through nature's remedies. Today, we're diving into the world of natural drinks that can supercharge your brain and boost your mental clarity. All caffeine-free and packed with goodness from Mother Nature. Did you know that what you sip can unlock sharper focus, better memory, and enhanced mental energy? Stick around as we reveal 10 natural brain-boosting drinks that will transform your mind. You won't believe what drink number 6 can do for your brain. 1. Kombucha, the fizzy brain detox. Kombucha is much more than a trendy drink. It's a fermented tea packed with probiotics that enhance gut health, which in turn boosts brain function through the gut-brain connection. But the magic doesn't stop there. Kombucha is also a natural detoxifier, aiding liver function and ensuring clean, oxygen-rich blood reaches your brain. Its antioxidants, especially polyphenols, combat oxidative stress, keeping your neurons firing efficiently. Studies suggest kombucha may even improve concentration by reducing brain inflammation. It's fizzy, delicious, and a perfect replacement for sugary sodas. 2. Turmeric Golden Drink, nature's anti-inflammatory elixir. Turmeric Golden Drink, also known as golden milk, is a creamy beverage with turmeric as the star ingredient. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a brain health superhero. It boosts memory, reduces brain fog, and even protects against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Combined with black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, this drink becomes 2,000% more effective. Its soothing properties make it perfect for winding down after a long day while supporting brain repair and rejuvenation. 3. Green Smoothie, a nutrient-dense powerhouse. A well-crafted green smoothie is like a brain multivitamin in a glass. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in folate, which improves memory and processing speed. Bananas provide potassium, which enhances neural communication, while almond milk offers magnesium to calm the brain and improve sleep quality. Add flax seeds or chia seeds for omega-3s to enhance cognitive function further. This vibrant drink not only fuels your body, but also keeps your brain active and sharp. 4. Beetroot Juice, oxygen for the brain. Beetroot juice isn't just good for athletes. It's a brain-boosting elixir packed with nitrates. These nitrates increase nitric oxide levels, dilating blood vessels and enhancing oxygen delivery to the brain. This improved blood flow sharpens focus, enhances problem-solving skills, and increases mental endurance. Over time, beetroot juice can even slow age-related brain decline by nourishing brain cells with oxygen. Its earthy flavor pairs perfectly with a splash of orange juice for a sweet twist. 5. Clove Tea, the brain's energizer. Clove tea is an aromatic, brain-loving beverage with powerful benefits. Its active compound, eugenol, improves blood circulation and reduces inflammation, ensuring your brain gets a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. This tea is also a potent antioxidant, protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's a simple yet effective way to boost memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Sip on clove tea mid-afternoon to fight fatigue and recharge your mind. 6. Ashwagandha Elixir, stress-busting brain tonic. Ashwagandha is an ancient adaptogenic herb that works wonders for your brain. It's proven to reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone that clouds judgment and impairs memory. In a creamy elixir form, ashwagandha not only calms the nervous system, but also promotes brain cell regeneration. This drink is ideal for those juggling busy schedules, helping you stay focused and resilient under pressure. Prepare this tonic before bed to wake up feeling refreshed and mentally sharp. 7. Peppermint Tea, instant mental clarity. The refreshing aroma of peppermint tea does more than invigorate your senses. It stimulates the brain. Research shows that peppermint enhances memory retention, speeds up mental processing, and improves focus. Peppermint tea is particularly useful during study sessions or work projects, keeping you sharp while promoting relaxation. Its natural menthol compounds also improve oxygen flow to the brain, giving you a mental boost with every sip. 8. Coconut Water, natural brain hydration. Coconut water is a hydrating brain tonic rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. Proper hydration is critical for cognitive functions like memory, attention, and decision-making. Coconut water also reduces oxidative stress in the brain, protecting neurons and ensuring mental clarity. On a hot day or after a workout, this refreshing drink replenishes your body and fuels your brain for peak performance. 9. Blueberry Lemonade, brain-refreshing antioxidant boost. Blueberries are tiny but mighty when it comes to brain health. Rich in anthocyanins, they protect neurons, improve memory, and enhance learning capabilities. Paired with the vitamin C from lemons, this drink becomes a zesty antioxidant powerhouse. Blueberry lemonade is not only delicious but also revitalizes your brain, making it the perfect drink for summer afternoons. 10. Ginger tea with honey, focus and energy booster. Ginger tea is a stimulating drink that enhances blood circulation, ensuring that your brain gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce brain fog, while honey provides natural glucose to fuel brain activity. This combination boosts focus, sharpens thinking, and fights mental fatigue, making it the ideal pick-me-up during a busy day. Conclusion. From the fizzy tang of kombucha to the soothing warmth of clove tea, these natural drinks are packed with benefits that will transform your brain health. They're caffeine-free, nutrient-dense, and 100% natural, proof that you don't need artificial stimulants to stay sharp. Which of these brain-boosting drinks will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Optimal Cures for more natural health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health, your remedy, your cure. See you in the next video.